Recently, there's a lot of report of issues with the USB driver, and when we plug in the USB, you can hear the sound, and the device manager never show our device, and the Uninstall software does not show it's connected. And the reason for that one is a recent Windows update has replaced its own driver, so that's causing the issue. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. And I have cleaned up my driver, so I no longer have the driver on it. But currently, I plug it in, I don't see anything, and even the unknown device is not showing up. Actually, the device is currently showing is in the under image device, and there is something called iosmanufacture.inf driver EEPROM missing, and this is the one that's replaced by the Microsoft upgrade. And in order to fix it, you just right click here and uninstall the device, and then check the attempt to remove the device driver and uninstall it. So once uninstall it, normally it should work already. So you can go here and scan for the hardware change. But in my case, I fully delete it again. So I see this thing as if we have not installed the driver. So I'm going to right click here, update the driver, and browse my computer, goes to my Windows 10 driver, and I click next. So the best driver is not already installed, which gives me this again. If this happens, then we need to do a little bit more step. So this one will not uninstall properly. So this is regedit, and we need to go to the local machine, and then system, the current control set, and enum, then the USB, and find this thing, and you can take a look. The one of the OEM here. Okay, this is the one we are using. This is the one that's being replaced. So we need to know this is OEM 6inf. So now let's go to the power. And uninstall. So this is fully uninstalled. Now let's go to the device manager again, and then let's update the driver, browse my computer, and next. Now this time we fully we install this driver here, and now we should be able to see the software.